The vision behind a sport in India. Every once in a while, history quietly proves someone right. Not overnight, not in headlines, but year after year, until one day everyone realizes he saw it too long before the rest of us did. Look at India today. New stadiums are rising, young athletes are dreaming bigger, football is finding new life, sport is no longer just entertainment, it's becoming part of nation's future. But here's the mystery. Who imagined this India 20 years ago? Surprisingly, not a sports minister, not an Olympic committee, not a football federation, a spiritual master. And that's where this story becomes fascinating. Because when you hear the word spirituality, you probably think of meditation, temples, inner peace, not about volleyball courts, not village tournaments, not thousands of people running, laughing, and competing together. So, why would Sadhguru put sport at the heart of a larger vision for India? The answer has almost nothing to do with winning. Imagine this, a village where for a few days farmers become teammates, children become fearless, families become spectators, neighbors become one community. No one is asking who is rich, who is poor, who belongs where. For a moment, everyone is simply playing. Now ask yourself, what if that was the real victory? Back in 2004, when India wasn't talking about Olympic roadmaps, when grassroots sports rarely made national headlines, Sadhguru started something called Gramotsavam. Not to produce the next superstar, but to remind millions of people of something we have slowly forgotten. A healthy society doesn't begin in a stadium. It begins in the playground. It begins when people move, when they laugh, when they sweat, when they learn to stand together before they learn to stand on a podium. Today, as India invests in world-class sports infrastructure and dreams bigger than ever before, it's worth looking back because sometimes the biggest ideas doesn't begin with billion-dollar projects. They begin with one simple question: what if every Indian played? And perhaps that question was never just about sport. It was always about building a stronger nation. 18 years of Gramotsavam, more than a game. For 18 years, Isa Gramotsavam has been taking sports beyond stadiums and into the heart of rural India. This year, the 18th edition is bringing together more than 80,000 participants from over 40,000 villages across 10 states and Puducherry, with nearly 7,000 teams, including around 15,000 women. But the real story isn't just the numbers. It is about people who rarely get an opportunity to step onto a sports field, finding joy, confidence, and community through play. And for many rural women, this is even more significant. In the previous edition, over 10,000 women participated, including around 220 women above the age of 50, many playing a sport for the first time in their lives. Some needed encouragement from volunteers, cousins, and family members just to take that first step outside their usual routines. Because sometimes the biggest victory isn't winning a trophy, it's a women stepping onto the field, a village come together, and thousands of people discovering that joy, play, and a vibrant life belonging to everyone. That is the spirit of Gramotsavam.